today we're making Fluffernutter Sandwiches.
It's just 3 ingredients and it's really delicious and simple, so we're excited to make it for you today.
That's right, it's really simple. So all you're gonna need is some white bread, which, well, just bread, but we like white bread.
There's other times for wheat and sourdough.
Yeah.
This is the time for good fluffy white bread.
Yep, this is a sweet sandwich, so you don't need like bird seed and stuff in your bread. Get rid of that. And then some marshmallow cream or marshmallow fluff. Either one you've got will work. I know there's purists that differ on this opinion. And some peanut butter.
Creamy peanut butter.
Creamy peanut butter is good. The other thing that we recommend as a pro tip is to pick yourself up one of these bad boys. It's like a butter knife, but it's super wide and it's great for spread and stuff on sandwiches.
You want to get serious about your sandwich making.
Alright, get a nice big old dollop of peanut butter on there. Mmm, yum.
Now tell me, with the Fluffernutter sandwich, do you put peanut butter on both sides or just one?
I just do one side if you're doing a full sandwich. But one of my favorite things to do is to have this sandwich as a snack, and sometimes I'll just use one slice of bread. So I'll just put like peanut butter on half the slice and then the fluff on the other, and then fold it like a taco, and it's delicious. But if you're doing the full, full-on sandwich with 2 pieces of bread, yeah, just do peanut butter on one side like this, all the way to the edges, all the way around. Perfect 100% coverage.
Perfect.
And then make sure you get all the excess peanut butter off the spreader. Ooh, I just made a huge mess. I've got it like on my hand and stuff. And then when you go into the fluff, you're not leaving behind like peanut butter trails. All right, so I'm gonna go that side of the bread. Do you want to get in here and do this one?
Sure.
I don't want to take up all the. We'll spread it together.
I do recommend you use fresh fluff or cream because it tends to get a little sticky if it's older, but when it's nice and fresh, it spreads really nicely and you can get it all the way to the edges. All the way to the edges. All right, now what do we do?
Just put it together. It's like a sandwich. And then get up in there close. No, that guy right there.
The Fluffernutter.
All American Fluffernutter.
All right, let's take a bite.
So good.
All right, now, if you're really feeling extra and you want to take things up a notch or several, we recommend adding banana slices and grilling this. It is so good. So we've got some banana slices here. We're just gonna add them to our peanut butter sandwich. How is that?
That's so good.
Just the best.
But this is gonna be even,
Whew. Guys, there is something about warm peanut butter and gooey marshmallow fluff together on buttery toasted bread. It's something else.
Grilled bread with that like crispy butter, crisp layer on the outside of the bread.
So you treat this just like a grilled cheese. You just add nice soft spreadable butter to the outside of the bread, all the way to the edges again, because this is important to get those grilled toasty edges. All right, we're ready to go.
Perfect.
Pop it in a hot grill and it will be warm and toasty deliciousness in about 5 minutes.
I can't wait.
All right, that's a wrap. Now we eat. That's where it's at.
So many fluff sandwiches. But this is the best one today. I feel like I'm getting fluff in my mustache. Worth every bite.
For more great recipes and tips, check out neighborfoodblog.com.
Yep.
Today we're making Fluffernutter.
Flap, flap, flap.
Flap, 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 flap. Spread, spread, spread. See ya.